Super Typhoon Ragasa, one of the most powerful storms of the 2025 Pacific season, made landfall in southern China on the evening of September 23rd. The storm brought sustained winds of up to 220 km/h, along with even stronger gusts. Before making landfall in China, Ragasa left severe consequences in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, and the northern Philippines, causing flooding, casualties, and mass displacement of residents. When Typhoon Ragasa made landfall on Hailing Island, part of Yangjiang City in Guangdong Province, local authorities launched one of the largest evacuation operations in history. The Ministry of Emergency Management of China reported that nearly 1.9 million residents in Guangdong Province were evacuated from high-risk areas before the storm arrived. In Shenzhen, a city with a population of over 17 million, about 400,000 residents were relocated from coastal districts and older housing developments vulnerable to strong winds and flooding. Authorities ordered the suspension of public transportation services, including ferries, flights, and trains, causing a complete disruption of life in the region. According to the National Marine Environmental Forecasting Center, waves ranging from 4 to 7 meters hit the coast of Guangdong, with some swells in the South China Sea reaching up to 13 meters. The government issued a red alert for storm surges and warned that sea levels could rise by up to 2.8 meters, which would lead to serious flooding risks. Coastal roads in Zhuhai, near Macau, were flooded, and authorities had to cut power in several flood-prone areas to prevent electrical hazards. In Shenzhen, despite the city's developed infrastructure, strong winds shattered windows in many high-rise buildings, and streets were littered with debris from broken glass and construction materials. Authorities advised residents in high-rise apartments to move to lower floors or relocate to safer buildings. More than 38,000 first responders, including firefighters, medical teams, and search and rescue personnel, were deployed across the area to assist residents. The heavy rainfall from Typhoon Ragasa also caused flash floods and landslides. Water and electricity systems were disrupted in many areas, particularly in rural regions. The power company mobilized thousands of technicians to restore electricity to critical facilities such as hospitals, fire stations, and relief centers. Although Ragasa weakened after landfall, forecasts indicate that heavy rain and flooding will continue to threaten southern China for the coming days. By September 24th, authorities had set up evacuation centers and were providing food, drinking water, and medical assistance to hundreds of thousands of residents. While the official damage toll has not been released, timely evacuation measures have significantly reduced the number of casualties compared to similar typhoons in the past. However, the recovery from Super Typhoon Ragasa is expected to take weeks, if not months, as rebuilding homes, restoring transport links, and recovering economic losses will take considerable time. Ragasa's impact has highlighted the devastating power of extreme weather phenomena and serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need to improve the resilience of communities to increasingly severe natural disasters. Experts suggest that critical infrastructure such as roads, bridges, and power systems remain highly vulnerable to natural disasters. Meanwhile, disaster preparedness in remote towns must be significantly strengthened to ensure timely evacuations and the provision of relief supplies to the affected populations. This requires a long-term strategy and investment in infrastructure that can better withstand the increasingly severe natural disasters. Thank you for watching the Extreme Weather Program, where we analyze the most intense natural phenomena. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps keep the channel running. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Stay informed and stay safe.
The world changing, disasters are no longer rare, they are reality. You cannot predict the next earthquake, flood, or wildfire, but you can choose how ready you are. This channel isn't just here to inform, it's here to wake people up before it's too late. So if you're watching this now, take it as a sign. Don't just scroll, don't just watch, subscribe, learn, and prepare. Because awareness isn't fear, it's power.